Should you buy a home with an existing pool or build a pool? This is a conversation I have often with my buyers, and in today's video, I'll give you my best advice on the subject. Hi everyone, my name is Andrea. I've been a realtor in Northeast Florida for almost 19 years, and I'm here to help you elevate your home and lifestyle. Be sure to check out my website for more information on my relocation services. I'd love to assist you with your move. For many people relocating to our area, the ideal Florida lifestyle includes having a pool, or at least having easy access to a community pool. Here in Northeast Florida, pool homes can be a little harder to find because they tend to be in high demand. It depends on the areas you're looking in as well as your price point. Many buyers have to ask, is a home with a pool a must-have feature? Or should you consider building a pool? There are pros and cons to both options. Buying a home that already has a pool means the cost of the pool is already built into the price. Since most of the time you don't get 100% return on the investment of adding a pool, this can be more advantageous for the value of your home. Plus, you get to enjoy the pool right away versus waiting to have one built. Building a new pool can cost on average $80,000 to $100,000 in our area, and the build time can be anywhere from 12 to 18 months. However, if you have the budget to add a pool and you don't mind the wait, looking for a home where you can add a pool can open up a lot more options and can allow you the flexibility to get the layout and the features you really want in the home, and to be able to design the pool that meets your preferences. However, if you are budget conscious and don't want the potential hassles and the cost of having to build a pool, consider being more flexible on the features of the home itself in order to get the pool. Focus more on the things you can't change about the home, like the location, the layout, the size of the yard, and consider the option of making minor cosmetic updates like flooring, paint, kitchen and bath updates versus having to build a pool. These types of improvements are often less expensive and can always be done over time. And of course, another option is to consider buying a home in a community with amenities that include a pool versus having your own pool. Obviously, the downside is that the community pools are not private and can get quite busy during the summer months, but it's also a great way to meet friends and socialize, especially if you have kids. The benefit to a community pool is the upkeep and maintenance is done for you, and it's included in your homeowners association fees. Maintaining a pool year-round can be a lot of work, so this option can save you some time and money, especially when you're probably only using the pool 5 to 6 months out of the year. My advice, keep your options open and be willing to explore homes with and without pools to help you decide what will work best for you and your family and your budget.